this video, we will show you how to change the Serpentine belt kit on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video. How to replace the Jeep Grand Cherokee car battery. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the airflow meter connector. To do this, lift the tab and pull on the connector. You can use a hook. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clips for the air intake duct on the airbox. Then remove the duct. We recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a ratchet and a 3/8-inch drive extension socket, loosen the belt by turning the Serpentine belt tensioner counterclockwise. Meanwhile, remove the Serpentine belt from the idler pulley. You can now remove the belt. You must now remove the vacuum pump. Unclip the connector from its slot by pulling on it. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Then remove the hose. To do this, lift the tab and pull on the hose. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the 2 retaining nuts. You can now remove the vacuum pump. When changing the belt, you should also replace the tensioner pulley and the idler pulley. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the holding bolt on the idler pulley located next to the Serpentine belt tensioner. Next, remove the idler pulley. Using a ratchet and a 5/8-inch socket, unscrew the retaining bolt of the belt tensioner. Then remove the tensioner. Brush the location to facilitate the installation. You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the belt tensioner. Put it back in its place. Pay attention to the pin located on the tensioner, which allows it to be correctly positioned on the engine. Next, screw it back in until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Retrieve the bolt and the washer from the old idler pulley. Next, reinsert the bolt. Put the washer in place. Put it back in its place, then screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the new Serpentine belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, shift the Serpentine belt tensioner in order to wind the Serpentine belt onto all of the pulleys. Then release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Put the vacuum pump back in place. Then screw the nuts back on by hand at first. Finish tightening using the wrench. Replace the electrical connection, then reconnect it. Reconnect the hose, then lock it. Replace the air duct. Then screw the hose clamps back on. Put the engine cover back on. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.